So I'll tell you, the scenery up in the Adirondacks is awesome. It really is. We're a little bit past peak season for the colors, but for all my viewers from California and the West, I don't know, I know you got some beautiful country out there, but I'll tell you, it is nice up in the Northeast. So anyway, I got a little bit away from the focus of my channel. You know, I'm into drag racing and a few other hobbies. But really, I kind of based the channel originally when I started as an outdoors channel. And ATV riding is really one of my hobbies nowadays. I haven't had a chance to do much of it because of work and family and COVID and everything. But yeah, we'll be at the club in a minute. But welcome back. And definitely, I could really appreciate your likes. Please subscribe. That all helps me keep the channel going, helps with the algorithm with YouTube and gets more views, so I really appreciate anything you can do to help support my channel. So and definitely always, you know, if you have a question or comment, feel free to throw that in, and I'll be sure to get back to you. So we'll be at the club in a minute. Good day, good ride. She was pretty dirty. I just cleaned her up, so no comments about how she is a trailer queen. She was definitely muddy. Just took her through the car wash, wiped her down a little bit. Too cold to really detail her and wax her, so just wiped her down, and time to put her away. So until our next adventure, thanks for watching. As always, please like, share, subscribe, and feel free to comment or ask any questions. And that's a wrap for today. It's first Saturday in November. Nice crisp 48 degrees right now. All right, have a good one. Bye.